What's going on, Larkin fam? Welcome back to Larkin Motors TV. Tonight, me and Jeff, it's our turn to stay late at the shop. So we're here just waiting on our September veteran to come pick up his Jeep. We're gonna have him go over the story behind the car and how he ended up here. Hopefully he's happy with it, you know? It's always exciting seeing people's reaction when it's time for them to come pick up the car. And they get to bring it home and know that there's nothing to worry about because the team here at Larkin went through the car and did everything. So shout out to Brian and Eric for working on this veteran's Jeep. We appreciate it, and I know the veterans appreciate it as well. But we're gonna go ahead and wait for the veteran to get here. So we'll be back with you in a few minutes. All right guys, so Mark just showed up. He's here to pick up the Jeep. But here's Mark. He's gonna tell you guys a little bit about the situation with the car.
All right, so just to start, my name is Mark Borden. Currently reside in Taunton. I served United States Navy 14 years. Basically had some issues with my vehicle, and I had a kind neighbor come to me and tell me that he had a shop and he'd be willing to give me a good deal on fixing the vehicle. So I brought my vehicle there. I paid for parts and labor up front, and it took me about 2 months to get my vehicle back from him. And when I did finally get it back, the parts that I had paid for, he had actually spray painted my parts and put them back on the vehicle. So I was really in a frustrated place. I needed somewhere to go to get my car fixed that I could trust, because I had really just had an issue with this guy. So my wife had mentioned that she had a friend at work that had a shop, so she reached out and got in contact with them, and here I am.
Yeah, so just
know what we did now to the Jeep.
Yeah, just a quick recap. So he had an issue with the brakes, and the gentleman he brought it to, instead of fixing the brakes and replacing the parts with the money he gave him, obviously he did something else with the money, and he just spray painted the whole brake system. So we didn't get any footage of those coming off, but it was bad looking and kind of sketchy too. So we actually went ahead and we replaced brakes, pads, rotors, and calipers all the way around. The clunk you were hearing in the front end, we went ahead and we did a front and rear track bar. We also took a look at the transmission, and everything seems normal there. So the e-brake is replaced as well, and we also repaired an exhaust leak that was there. There's a big hole in the exhaust, so it should be good to go for you, you know, 100%.
I mean, honestly, I can't even thank these gentlemen enough. Not only to be able to have a place come take care of everything after I just pretty much, you know, got taken advantage of by someone. It was really, really refreshing to go through that negative interaction and then be able to come here and be treated so well. You know, we never expect anything in return for our service, so it's always just genuinely heartfelt and just grateful to have someone reach out and say, hey, you served your country, so we're gonna do something for you. So thank you, gentlemen, for that. I know now I have a safe car that I can get to work. We have a 4th child on the way, so we're very excited. So it couldn't have happened at a better time. So thank you, gentlemen.
That's why we do it. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. Again, if you want to donate to the cause, head over to larkinmotorsfoundation.org, and there's tons of information there, and we upload all of our veterans to the website so you can see the work on the vehicles that have been in here. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and this is Larkin Motors TV signing out.